Obi Cubana became famous when he hosted one of the biggest burial ceremonies in Nigeria when he buried his mother, and now he's hosting one of the biggest 50th birthday party celebration in the history of Nigeria. Like all road leads to Abuja for Obi Cubana's 50th birthday. This is going to be one of the biggest birthday celebrations in Nigeria. Like the turnout is crazy. Pastor Jerry Eze was seen at this birthday party. Lots of billionaires from the likes of Cubana Chief Priest, Obi Cubana, Emoney, Flavor, everybody is turning up for this birthday. Is going to be a talk of the town. The birthday is about kicking off. You have to see billionaires turning up. Everybody putting on suit. It's a black suit birthday team with everybody putting on black tie, and the birthday party is going to be really huge. Pastor Jerry Eze was seeing all smiles as he greeted Obi Cubana. He's going to be ministering at this party. I'll be sharing with you highlight of how the whole birthday party is going to go down tonight. Stay tuned, drop a comment, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Oh, it's okay. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Jerry, how you doing? Okay. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, where the people, where the paparazzi? Where everybody can you need the security to allow you in. Talk to him to allow you. There's no space here. Talk to this guy to allow you. So that I can then manage me. Jerry, how you doing? Jerry, I was joking. It's okay. All right, sorry, let's go around the picture. Hey. We went there. Get it. I don't think okay, let's have it. Come back, please. Come back. Officer, your hand, please. Sorry, can I go closer? Go, Chris. Here. Officer, your hand. Okay. Can you call Chief Priest's attention? Thank you.